Good morning friends, welcome again to GT Adda. This video is dedicated for unboxing a sunglass which I bought a couple of days ago. I bought it on Saturday actually, and this is Monday. This is Monday morning, and I went on a ride on 12th of June, which is yesterday. That was a Sunday. So I went on a Sunday ride, which you must have seen on this channel, and I tried out a sunglass which I bought on Saturday. It's a smart sunglass from Fastrack, and this video is going to tell you about why did I went for that. Let me show you the sunglass that I used to wear in my previous morning rides. This is also from Fastrack. Yeah, see, and here is the sunglass. It's a day and night sunglass. You can wear it in the day as well as in the night time. The problem that I was facing, that I dropped on the very first ride and I had scratches on it, and even though it had scratches, I was using it. But the main problem that I was facing, that during the daytime when the sun is up and it is very bright, it hurts your eyes. So I was looking for a darker shade, and I didn't had any plan for buying any such sunglass right now, but I was looking on internet to find something cool, something dude kind of a sunglass that I see that YouTubers are wearing, some with blue tint, green tint, orange, red, and they looks quite good. So I was looking for that type of a sunglass, and but it maybe I was planning to buy it in the next couple of months from now. I went to a Titan Eye shop which recently opened in our locality for a power glass. Let me show you the power glass that I use. Here is the power glass. It has full of scratches. I don't know if you can see the scratches or not. It's quite not easy to show you on camera, but it has got many scratches. I have used it during my Nainital ride, during my Vizag ride, during all the weekend rides, during the night time, daytime. I have used it extensively. I have used it in my office. I have used it everywhere. This was the power glass that I used maybe the last 7-8 years consistently, to bring something new. So I went to Titan Eye looking for a power glass. I ordered one and I'm going to get it this week. But when I was going through the shop, I was looking at different sunglasses that was there. uh, I came across a smart sunglass. Here it is. Let me show you that smart sunglass. I saw it in hand, and here it is. Here is the sunglass. See, let me show you from all the angles. It has got button which controls everything on and off and other functionality, which I'm going to discuss in the video. Here is it. This is from Fastrack. See, and here it is. Let me show you how it looks. Here it is. You see, it has got darker shade, and it is a polarized sunglass, and it costed me 3,499, and I got a discount of 10% on top of it. And the reason I went for the smart sunglass, let me explain you that in detail. And whenever I'm riding, and during the daytime when I'm using Google Maps on 4G, and even if I am not using 4G, if I have downloaded the map earlier and I'm using it offline, after couple of hours my phone gets shut down, and I cannot do anything about it because the phone is getting overheated, and it's a common problem for all. So I often see that people are they use it for a while, and then they don't use it because somehow they know the road or the places they are accustomed with. Somehow they get some notification and they just calculate that in their mind. Let's say if I have to go 30 kilometer up ahead, then I don't have to use my phone. So they just calculate in their brain, they go for 30 kilometer, then they again check their GPS. So it's a kind of a thing, because when you are using your phone on a tank bag, it often gets overheated due to the sun during the daytime. It is not a big problem when you're using it during the night time, but most of the rides happen during the daytime, which I always prefer. I don't prefer to ride during the night time. uh, so I, I I saw that if I am going to buy a sunglass, why not this? Because let me tell you that you have to connect with you have to connect your sunglass with the phone using Bluetooth. It's a very simple functionality. You just switch on the Bluetooth and you switch on the your sunglass, and it will automatically sync. Now, how it works? It works wonderfully well. So during the ride, uh, you need some assistance to navigate through to your way. So what you're going to do, what I actually did last day with the smart sunglass, I'm just elaborating it. I connected the smart sunglass with my phone. I switched on my Google Maps and I started the journey, and I kept it in my pocket. Okay, so whenever I'm riding, and I obviously switched on the audio navigational assistance. So inside the helmet, I have the smart sunglass, and the phone was directing me, to go straight or right or left. Let me give you an example. If I have to go 1 kilometer, then I have to turn right or left. There is a voice command that goes inside your helmet via your smart sunglass, and it says go up ahead 1 kilometer and then turn right. So I don't have to look at my GPS. I just have to ride my bike for 1 kilometer, then I have to turn right. Whenever you're going towards a turn, it will tell you again to turn left or right, whichever it is. So the last day that I went on a Sunday ride, I used this sunglass, and I didn't look at my GPS, not even for once. All I was focusing on the voice command that was going inside the helmet. Like, it will tell you go 29 kilometer straight. So you have a kind of idea that how much is 29 kilometers going to be. If you're riding a motorcycle for long, you will have those kind of idea about roads and distance and measurement kilometers or miles, whatever it is. You will have that idea, presumption, where to turn, where not to turn. So if the voice command says go 30 kilometers straight, so you will just go 30 kilometers straight, and when you reach 30 kilometer, there will be another voice command, and then you follow the next command, and that is how it goes. So that helped me to travel the entire road back home using this sunglass, and I never looked at the GPS. GPS also often comes out as a distraction. If you keep it on your tank bag or on any mount, you have the tendency to look at it repeatedly, like you will try to make some adjustments so that the reflection doesn't hit your phone, so that you have the clear visibility of the map and you are watching it constantly. It's a kind of a distraction when you're riding a motorcycle. But wearing this sunglass, you totally focusing on everything around you. You totally enjoy it. All you have to do is to keep in mind that there will be a voice command. You have to remember that, like 300-meter go left, 300-meter go right. So this has helped me a lot. So in the future rides, I'm going to use a smart sunglass. I'm going to connect it with my phone, and I'm not going to put my phone on any mount or on any tank bag. I have used multiple mounts, tank bags, but I was never satisfied. Somehow I don't get a clear visibility of the map because it used to stay inside the tank bag, and whenever the sun used to hit the tank bag, the plastic cover on top of your phone reflects a light, which actually makes it difficult for you to read the map. The main purpose of buying this sunglass is only to get the navigational assistance via voice command, so that I do not have to get distracted. I know there will be a voice command inside the helmet. But you know that every technology comes with some merits and demerits. It has some practical problem, like what if your phone gets shut down and you don't know about it, or what if you are rerouting, you have missed a turn. There is always a possibility that there are multiple roads uh, bifurcating, and the voice command says goes left, you go left, but somehow you should have gone to the other left. So there is a possibility of missing out. But if you are connected in 4G, obviously the map is going to reroute you to another direction. Ultimately you will reach your destination, and whenever you are rerouting, there will be a notification, like a blink notification, beep or something like that. That's a practical problem. You can even face that problem using the GPS map. So I was looking for a polarized sunglass with a darker shade. I've got one, and a smart sunglass as well, because all I have to do is to connect my smart sunglass with my phone, and I have to follow the voice command to reach a destination. So my entire focus goes on the road, and I'm totally enjoying, the journey. And whenever there is a command, I just follow it. So I'm going to use it extensively in the future rides. And if I face any problem, which I am going to face problem, I'm going to tell you in those videos as well. So stay tuned with the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel, do not forget to hit the notification bell, and share the video with your friends. So that is all for today. See you again in another video from GT Actor. Goodbye.